Hello everyone. Today we will see preparation of ethers. But before that we will just overlook over IPSC names and isomerism. So ethers means ROR. The compound ROR is called as ether. So while giving IPSC names to ethers are considered as alkoxy alkanes. One group is alkoxy, say this RO group is alkoxy and this R group is alkane, parent alkane. So here bigger alkyl group is considered as parent alkane and other group is considered as alkoxy group. For example, CH3O C2H5. So here bigger alkyl group is C2H5, so this will be ethane. So it is methoxyethane. methoxyethane. अगर हम ऐसा लेते हैं C2H5O C2H5 ethoxyethane. C2H5 is ethoxy group. This is methoxy group. Parent alkane is ethane. So ethoxyethane. ये इतना ethoxy group हो गया और ये हो गया ethane. Similarly, consider this example: CH3O CH CH3 CH2 CH3. So on one side of carbon there is only one alkyl group. On another side there is 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms. So parent alkane will be naturally this one, and this is alkoxy group. So what will be the name of compound? Just try to write the name of compound. See, this compound contains 4 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now numbering 1, 2, 3, third carbon पे functional group आएगा, 1, 2, second carbon पे functional. So this is the proper numbering, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is carbon number 1, this is carbon number 2, 3 and 4. So second carbon पे methoxy group है, so इसका नाम हो जाएगा 2-methoxy butane. अगर आपको 1-methoxy butane लिखना है तो आप कैसा लिखोगे? This is CH3O, this is CH2 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 CH3. This is 1-methoxy butane. ये फर्स्ट कार्बन पे फंक्शनल ग्रुप है और यहाँ जो है सेकेंड कार्बन पे है, इसलिए दिस इज 2-methoxy and this one is 1-methoxy. Another example is this C2H5O CH3/3. इसका नाम लिखने का कोशिश करो. See this CH3/3. So you can write the same compound like this C2H5O. This CH3 like this. Now this carbon on this oxygen, here there are 2 carbon atoms and here there are 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. So this is alkoxy group, that is ethoxy group. This one is, and now here 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms. So just number them 1, 2, 3. This is carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3. 3 carbon means parent alkane is propane, and there is a side chain on carbon number 2. So it is 2-ethoxy 2-methyl propane. 2-ethoxy. अगेन ये साइड चेन है, कौन से कार्बन पे? सेकेंड कार्बन पे. सो इट इज 2-methyl. ओरिजिनल अल्केन पेरेंट अल्केन क्या है? कंटेन 3 कार्बन एटम, सो इट इज प्रोपेन. सो 2-ethoxy 2-methyl propane. Now this one, try to write the name of this compound: CH3 CH CH3O CH CH3 CH3. So what will be the name of the compound? Now see here, both the alkyl groups are same. So one is parent alkane and another is alkoxy group. Say suppose this is parent alkane, so this contains 3 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3. So parent alkane is propane. Now फंक्शनल ग्रुप कौन से कार्बन पे? सेकेंड कार्बन पे. और ये ग्रुप कौन सा है? 2 प्रोपॉक्सी. सो इसका नाम हुआ. और ये कार्बन एटम कौन सा है? सेकेंड. सेकेंड पे क्या है? फंक्शनल ग्रुप 2 प्रोपॉक्सी प्रोपेन. इसका नाम फिर से ध्यान में लो. ये है प्रोपेन. 1, 2, 3 कार्बन एटम यानी पेरेंट अल्केन प्रोपेन. फंक्शनल ग्रुप कौन से कार्बन पे? सेकंड यानी ये 2. कौन सा फंक्शनल ग्रुप है? 2 प्रोपॉक्सी फंक्शनल ग्रुप है. कौन सा फंक्शनल ग्रुप है? 2 प्रोपॉक्सी. यू कैन राइट आल्सो 1 प्रोपॉक्सी. सी हियर CH3 CH2 CHO. This one is 1 propoxy. Is that clear? Now this will attach here. ये सेकेंड कार्बन पे, ये फर्स्ट कार्बन पे, like this. Like this. So ये 1 प्रोपॉक्सी हो गया. CH3 CH2 CH2O. और ये CH3 CH CH3O ये हो गया 2 प्रोपॉक्सी. और ये सेकेंड कार्बन पे है, इसलिए 2 प्रोपॉक्सी प्रोपेन. और इसका नाम अगर ये यहाँ अटैच होता तो इसका नाम हो जाता 1 प्रोपॉक्सी प्रोपेन. लाइक दिस. सो ये थोड़ा ध्यान में रखिए आप. इसकी प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, आपको आ जाएगा. Then after that nomenclature, isomerism, chain isomerism, positional isomerism, then functional isomerism and metamerism. So chain isomerism. Now look at these 2 compounds. CH3, on one side of carbon there is CH3, here there is CH3, and on another side there are 4 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms. Means on either side of carbon, either side of oxygen, number of carbon atoms are same. But here chain is different. Here it is a straight chain and here it is a branch chain. So such type of isomer is called as chain isomer, which differs in chain of carbon atoms. For example, next is position isomer. For example, ऐसा लिख दिया अपन ने CH3O CH2 CH2 CH3. अब इसको हम ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं CH3O CH CH3 CH3. देखो यार, पोजीशन ऑफ फंक्शनल ग्रुप, ये कार्बन नंबर 1 पे आया और ये कार्बन नंबर 2 पे आया. सो सच आइसोमर in which number of alkyl groups are same on either side, but there is a difference in position of the functional group. Here position of functional group on carbon number 1, this is 1, 2, 3, and here functional group on carbon number 2, 1, 2, 3. So this is position isomer. Then metamerism, for example C2H5O C2H5, it can be written as CH3O CH2 CH2 CH3. So in case of metamers, number of carbon atoms, total number of carbon atoms are same, but alkyl groups on either side of the oxygen are different. Here C2H5, here C2H5, here it is CH3, and here it is CH2 CH3 CH. So in case of metamers, molecular formula is same, but what is the difference? Alkyl group on either side of oxygen are different. Then functional isomers. For example, C2H5OH means molecular formula is C2H6O. ये हो गया ईथर, सॉरी ये अल्कोहल, अगर इसका ईथर बनाना है तो CS3OCS3. So they are the functional isomers, alcohols and ethers. Here molecular formula is same, C2H6O, but here it is alcohol C2H5OH and here it is ether. So this is the isomerism in ethers. Now the next topic is preparation of ethers. Number 1, by Williamson synthesis. In this method, sodium alkoxide is treated with primary alkyl halide. It gives corresponding ether. Sodium alkoxide RONA, O minus N plus C2H5Cl. It gives ROR. Suppose R is CS3. So it is sodium methoxide plus C2H5Cl. It gives CS3CO C2H5. So this is ethyl methyl ether. Common name is ethyl methyl ether, and IPSC name is methoxyethane. Methoxyethane. So in this case, this alkoxide attacks on primary carbon atom from back side of chlorine. So in this case, we can take primary alkyl halide only. If you will take other alkyl halide, say secondary or tertiary alkyl halide, for example CS3C, CS3, CS3 Br plus C2H5ONA, then the product will be alkene. It will not give ether, so the product will be alkene. So CS3C, CS3 double bond CH2, यहाँ का एक हाइड्रोजन बचा, ये हाइड्रोजन C2H5 के साथ चले जाएगा, यानी क्या हो गया C2H5OH अल्कोहल, Na और ये Br प्लस NaBr. So यहाँ हमको क्या चाहिए, विलियमसन सिंथेसिस में प्राइमरी अल्किल हलाइड इज ट्रीटेड विथ सोडियम अल्कोक्साइड से सोडियम methoxide, sodium ethoxide, it gives corresponding ether, that is post preparation. Then second and last one is continuous etherification. Continuous etherification process. In this reaction, excess of alcohol, you have to take alcohol in excess. Excess of alcohol is passed over dehydrating agent concentrated H2SO4 at 413 Kelvin. It gives corresponding ethers. For example, C2H5OH plus H2SO4, या इसको हम ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं HSO4 concentrated H2SO4 is heated at 413 Kelvin. This H2SO4 reacts with first molecule of alcohol. It liberates और ये यहाँ से H2O निकल जाएगा, या ऐसा. So you will get alkyl hydrogen sulfate C2H5HSO4. This compound again reacts with second molecule of alcohol, gives ether. C2H5 OC2H5 plus H2SO4 back. So in this reaction H2SO4 reforms in the second step. Hence same H2SO4 can be used again and again. Hence this process is called as continuous etherification process. ये प्रोसेस से हम नॉन स्टॉप ईथर बना सकते हैं. You can write this reaction directly like this, twice C2H5OH in presence of concentrated H2SO4 at 413 Kelvin. It gives C2H5O C2H5 plus dehydration हो गया, removal of water molecule. So here dehydration gives ether, and in alcohol we studied dehydration gives alkene. तो dehydration जो अल्कोहल में था that was carried on at 433 Kelvin with concentrated H2SO4. उससे अल्कीन मिलेगा हमको. And this alcohol here, in case of preparation of alcohol, alkene, in case of preparation of alkene, that alcohol is not taken in excess. But ये reaction में ईथर बनाना है तो अल्कोहल हमको क्या लेना है, एक्सेस में लेना है. अब रिएक्शन वेसल में अल्कोहल डालते जाएगा हमको ईथर मिलते जाएगा. लेकिन यहाँ अलग है, एक मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ अल्कोहल passed over concentrated H2SO4 at 443, it gives alkene CH2 double bond CH2. So this is about methods of preparation of ethers. Okay.